Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to stay anonymous online using SafeShellVPN. This guide is perfect for beginners, so don't worry. I will keep everything simple and clear. Before we begin, make sure to check the description below this video. I have added the link to SafeShellVPN's latest offer. So if you want to try it out or buy it, you can do that easily from the link below. Alright, let's talk about staying anonymous online. So first, what does anonymous mean? It means no one can know who you are, where you are, and what you are doing online. Your real identity stays hidden. The first step is using a VPN, and that's where SafeShellVPN comes in. And download the SafeShellVPN for your device. After that, just open and connect it. When you connect to SafeShellVPN, your real IP address is hidden. It shows a fake location instead, like you are in USA or Asian or any other country, which helps you to browse without being tracked. Next, make sure you always turn on the kill switch in SafeShellVPN settings. This feature will stop your internet if the VPN stops, so your real IP doesn't leak by mistake. Also use private or incognito window in your browser. This means your browsing history is not saved, and it's another layer of privacy. Next thing is, don't log into your real account if you want to stay fully anonymous. For example, if you use your real Facebook account while connected to the VPN, then you are still showing your identity. So stay smart. Use guest account or anonymous browsing. Another tip is, SafeShellVPN has DNS leak protection. Make sure to turn this on. It stops websites from finding your real location by checking your internet service provider's DNS. Finally, always clear your cookies and browsing data. Cookies can remember who you are, and clearing them will help you to stay more private. So to sum up, use SafeShellVPN, turn on kill switch and DNS protection, browse in private mode, avoid logging into personal accounts, and clear your cookies regularly. This is the best way to stay anonymous, and SafeShellVPN makes it easy even you are beginner. So check the description of the latest SafeShellVPN deal. You might even find a trial version, or you might find a offer link. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.